Welcome back as we continue down our journey into the Google Sites. We are going to continue to add more interest and make our Google site more engaging for our students. In the classroom, that's the biggest thing for me is to make this site user friendly so that not only I use it, but my students will use it also. So now I'm going to show you how to add a list page to your site. And make sure you're not in editing mode. And I'm going to go back and I'm going to create a page. And I'm going to choose my template, and I want to create a list. And my list is going to be for helpful websites, so that students have a list of URLs and other things at their fingertips that they can use. Ones that we use often and that they can go back to. So I'm going to go ahead and click create. It's going to go ahead and create my page for helpful websites. Then I can kind of choose what I want to open. Well, I'm going to go ahead and create my own template. Then I can create my columns and figure out what it is that I want. So I'm going to do website name in my first column, which is text. Go back and add another column, and my next column will be the website URL. And this isn't going to be text, but it is going to be a URL itself. I am done adding columns for my table, but you can add as many as you want and go ahead and save that. It will then create a baseline for your list. You can then add your items to this list. So my first one that I want to do is my Google Classroom. We use this often in my class, and I'm going to copy the website down. Well, I have a bunch of tabs already saved at the top, so I can find it, Control C and copy that, go back to my page, and Control V, paste that in there. So then if I hit save, my website is right there. I can go ahead and add another item. One of the websites that I like us to use in my science class for tutoring is Khan Academy. It has good tutorials for especially like my upper level chemistry and upper level physics that my kids can go back and visit. Again, I've called that page up. I can copy and paste that, go back in and either click paste or Control V, save that, and again, there's my next one. I can continue adding items. I'll add one more. We'll do an ACT Science Prep. My kids always have trouble with science ACTs because it's not a lot of science. It's more graphs and other things that you kind of have to practice. Again, I will copy that website, go back and put it in my URL, save that, and there are my 3 websites that I have. They're all there, available, and I don't even have to save it. It is ready for me just right there. Thanks for watching.